Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the Vanguard Secure Boot UEFI error in Valorant so you can launch the game without issues. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. First, close the Riot client completely. Then, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. This will open the System Information window. Here, look for the Secure Boot State option. If it says off, then Secure Boot is disabled and we'll need to enable it from the BIOS settings. Now, restart your PC. While your computer is starting, repeatedly press your BIOS key. This is usually Delete, F2, F10 or F12, depending on your motherboard. Once inside BIOS, switch to Advanced mode. Every motherboard looks different, but the settings are usually similar. Go to the Boot tab and look for CSM mode or Legacy support. Disable that option first. After disabling CSM, the Secure Boot option should appear. Enable Secure Boot, then save your settings and restart your PC. Once Windows loads back up, launch Valorant again and the error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.